So far we have done strong and weak verbs and in the three forms: past, present, past and past participle. And the spelling varied from the present went into past and into participle. Sometimes there were some changes here and there. But the third category, what we are going to do now is, these verbs have the three forms: present, past and participle. The words are alike. No change in spelling. For example, when you say bet, I bet you will come late. Bet, it's all same whether you use it in the present, past or in the past participle, it is just bet. Or if you say put the pen there, you cannot say I finished, putted the pen. Put, it's all same. Or you can say get me a set of colors. You cannot say more than set, you cannot say sets. Or you can say shut. You cannot say shut the door. There is no past and there is no past participle. Now, we are going to do verbs that have three forms: past, present, and participle alike. Okay. The following verbs, the following verbs, verbs have, the following verbs have the three forms, three forms, that is present, past, and past participle alike, and past participle alike. And that's what we are looking at. Okay? So we have the present, past, and past participle. So the three forms. Okay? You have the present, past, and the past participles are the three forms of verbs. And this particular set, what I'm going to write, bet, when we say bet, for the present, past, and past participle, they're all bet only. You cannot change. When you say burst, you're bursting tens, thousands of balloons. Burst only. Burst, you base, whether you burst one balloon or several balloons, it's only burst. Burst and burst. Now, when we talk about cast, okay, you're casting a net for the fishing, okay. Cast, in all three forms, it is cast only, okay. Cost of something, okay. Cost of a book or a dress, cost only. In all the three forms, is cost of 1 or 10 or many, all same. Cut, for cutting vegetables, you cut or cloth, it's all cut only. But the past, present or participle, all same. Hit, you hit someone or something hit you. Hit, all hit only. Then we have the word like hurt. You get hurt when you fall down. Hurt, hurt. Okay. Let. Let. The teacher let you in. Let. Whether it is present, past, you say for everything, you'll only say let. Let. Put. When you say put, it's all the same. Put. You put on your shoes. Present, past, all put. Okay. So now we have several words more, but let's look at what we have done so far. The following verbs, all these verbs, bet, purse, cast, cost, cut, hit, hurt, let, put, all these words have three forms, present, past and past participle alike, all same. When you write the sentence, whether it's in the present or in the past or in the past participle, there is no change of spelling, whether present, past or past participle. We have some more words to go on. So we are doing verbs that are alike, whether it's a present, past or past participle. So what I have here is read. Whether it is present, read, you read. You will only say, but the spelling is same. Past part, yes, I have already read. But the spelling is same. Read, 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 it's all the same, the spelling. Rid, you get rid of something. Rid. It's the past and past participle, it is rid. You get rid of someone or something. Set. You set. You make a set of things, sandwiches or something. It is just set. All set only. Then we have shed. Okay. The tree sheds leaves. No? Shed. Many leaves also, you will say only shed. One or many, it's always the shed. Then you say shut. When you say shut the door, shut the window, it's just the shut for all three forms. Shut. It is shut for all three forms. Finally, we have spilt. Split. Split. And again split only. Spread. You spread out something. Spread. You spread cloth or spread flowers, whatever. Spread. And finally, the last word we have here is thrust. You thrust a nail into the wall. Thrust. Thrust. The three forms you just have thrust. Now let's look, let's come to the end of the words that are alike in three forms. Okay? Now that we have done words, we must get into usage of these words in the sentences to identify and check out our memory. So we have read, 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 set, 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 shed, 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 shut, 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 split, 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 spread, and thrust. All the words in the three forms are all alike. Now we will use these in the sentence form to check out when it comes to the sentence, can we remember the weak and the strong verb?